Oh.
I just read it to you. I just read you that one. You have your drink and leave it there. You leave it there. No, you sit there. No, he's not going to. Oh, take it. Oh, you might be better with I'm going to have a shower.
Once upon a time in the night garden, Eagle Piggle was out for a walk when he heard a funny noise. Boing, boing, boing. Boing, boing, boing. Look at that. Upsy Daisy is jumping. Hello, Upsy Daisy. Boing, boing, boing. Now Eagle Piggle is jumping too. Boing, boing, boing. Boing, boing, boing. The Tombliboos are jumping. Hello, Tombliboos. Boing, boing, boing. Macca is jumping. Hello, Macca. Boing, boing, boing. Look at that. Even the great big hahoos are jumping. Hahoo! Boing, boing, boing. What's that teeny tiny jumping noise? Oh, it's the Pontypines and they're doing teeny tiny jumps. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. What do they do, Evan? Me, 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 me. What do the Pontypines do? What are you doing, Evan? Wow. You gonna go play with trains?